Are you looking for a quick, refreshing, and keto friendly salad that's both nutritious and delicious? Hello, friends, welcome to Spice and Soul Diaries. And today I'm going to share with you all a healthy and delicious keto avocado broccoli salad that's packed with healthy fats, crunchy veggies, and simple flavors and will keep you full without breaking your carb limit. Perfect for weight management as it's low in carb or a light lunch, this salad comes together in minutes and tastes absolutely amazing. So friends, let's get started with this healthy and delicious salad recipe. And here in this bowl I've taken some broccoli cut into florets of medium portions and I have steamed them so they are soft and tender now. Then I'm going to include half of an English cucumber. Well, you can include veggies as per the quantity you want to make. And I'm slicing the cucumber into semicircle shape. Next I will slice half of an onion into juliennes like this. I'm going to separate the layers and keep them in a bowl of cold water for 10 minutes, which will give sweeter and crunchier onions, best for salads and sandwiches. Then I'm going to chop a tomato into medium portions like this. And try to include as many colorful veggies you can, which will make your salad more colorful and filling. And to add some crunch and make the salad more filling, I'm going to include some iceberg lettuce, which I will roughly chop in this way. Well, this should be enough. And here comes our superfood avocado, loaded with healthy fats which promotes heart health and makes you feel fuller for a longer period of time. We'll slice the avocado into half and with the help of a spoon, we'll scoop out the flesh from the skin. And now I'm going to cut the avocado into medium portions like this. And apart from heart health, consuming avocados on a regular basis benefits skin, brain function, and blood sugar regulations, making them a nutrient-dense addition to many diets. And to give a fresh and herby flavor to our salad dressing, I will chop some dill leaves. If you don't have dill leaves, you can add parsley or even cilantro. Alright, this is done and now let's prepare a flavorful and refreshing salad dressing. For that we'll take a bowl and into it goes a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Then goes some lemon juice. I would like to mention here that the salad as well as the dressing I'm making will be sufficient for 2 people, so adjust the quantity accordingly. Then I'm going to crush 1 large garlic pot, which will give a fresh garlic flavor to the salad dressing. Now let's add the chopped dill leaves, which will greatly enhance the flavor of the salad dressing. For seasoning, we'll add some salt as per taste, around 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper and half teaspoon of mixed herbs. Now let's stir and mix this well so that all the ingredients are well combined. And our flavorful salad dressing is also ready. And now time to assemble the salad into a mixing bowl. Here goes the chopped iceberg lettuce. Next goes the chopped cucumber, tomatoes and onions. Now let's add the steamed broccoli florets as well as the chopped avocado. And now time to add the salad dressing, which will make our salad so very flavorful and amazing to taste. Now let's toss the salad well for at least 1 to 2 minutes so the salad dressing is well combined with the veggies. And our healthy salad is now ready to be served and enjoyed. And here goes our low-carb, keto-friendly avocado broccoli salad. Avocado is rich in healthy fats while broccoli is loaded with fiber, vitamins and antioxidants, and together they make a powerful low-carb nutrient-dense salad. So friends, do try this quick and super refreshing salad that's perfect for weight loss or anyone following a keto lifestyle. Also, I would love to hear your feedbacks. We'll see you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care, and enjoy good food, good life.